I'm Brad Riley, the Chief Creative Officer of the advertising agency, the Jupiter Drawing Room. We decided to work with Firestring because typically in the advertising industry things can be quite fragmented and siloed. Even within an agency of 150 to 200 people, you've got different departments working on the same project. They don't tend to speak to each other, so any kind of collaboration tool or collaboration platform that we can implement is going to greatly increase not only our productivity but our creativity and the final work that we produce for a client. That's only within the organization, and externally we work with a lot of partners, whether they be production partners, whether they be strategic partners, and the clients themselves that ultimately collaborate on projects too. So the idea was to create a place where everybody could come together in real time and contribute towards work. We've subsequently actually restructured the agency where we've pretty much mashed people together, and then what's happened is that the network has taken on a bigger role in terms of a cultural role as well, because we've now got effectively 3 small agencies within an agency. So how do we make them feel like they're part of a single agency? And the Firestring network has really kind of helped us glue the agency together, because I think if you think about it, at the end of the day, it's a social network, and social networks are essentially technology bringing people together. So on a very basic human platform, it's working really well for us.
This provides a safe space that someone can bring an issue, can bring research that they're doing, and find the most appropriate resources to give them feedback on its relevance, its applicability, and to build on that knowledge.
It's allowed innovators to, in real time, publish content, share working practice, maximize resources, reduce duplication, share with each other and talk about what works, so that there can be an increase in trust, an increase in common purpose and collaboration. We don't find age to be an impediment. We've found that there's been a rapid uptake of this technology and that people have utilized it enthusiastically because of the power of self-publishing in their field.
And I think what I really enjoy about it is you can post documents, you can post wikis, you can create milestones, and all of these things allow you to track who's reading what they're doing with it. They can comment on the documentation, they can change it so that you can use it, and it's something that has been created with you, the organization, and with the community members.
My name is Johan du Plessis. I'm the IT Director for Consol Glass Pty Limited. Consol views knowledge management as a key enabler for our strategy, and we intend to invest in this competence in our business to ensure that we meet our strategic goals and targets. For us, the enterprise social network should allow us to capture tacit knowledge from baby boomers, experts that are starting to leave our business, and through that enable the Generation X and Generation Y guys to access this knowledge in the way that they prefer to work. Looking for the ability to trawl our existing repositories of information to enable us to index them through a semantic search engine, and avoiding the very laborious process of manually creating a taxonomy. And we have found that the Firestring product specifically gives us this ability.
In other words, the technologies we are implementing over the next couple of years become stepping stone technologies.
Working with 30 different companies scattered around the world is no mean task. But what has been set up is a veritable Facebook of mind design, a platform that everybody can access. AngloGold Ashanti's Sean Newberry
We've created a virtual workspace through a technology identified and proudly homegrown in South Africa to bring everything together in an environment where you could see all the work taking place. These teams across time zones and multi-interests around the world could really get together and work.
South Africa could be on the cusp of the biggest mining breakthrough in 100 years.